And we are looking at a great Vito Expedition Pro Offtrack van. And if we go around, we can first check that it has an all-terrain tires. Well, pretty big size. They're Pirelli Scorpions, but well, I don't trust this small part right there, but let's get inside. Pretty nice looking situation with an actual bench seating for 3 persons, but I would rather put 2. And then we have the roof, pop-up roof. And you get additional bed for 1 or 2 people. Additional storage right up there. Well, nicely looking off-track Vito camper van.